Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Obstagoon from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you must know, Obstagoon is a normal and dark type and is Linoon's Galarian evolved form. I mean, this is the first time I've seen a Pokemon that has its own evolved form from a Alolan Pokemon. I mean, that is something you don't see every day. So anyways, a little bit more about Obstagoon. He's part of Team Skull's, part of Team Yell's entourage, but I think it'd be more sufficient if this Galarian form of Linoon was part of Team Skull from the Alolan series. I never thought there'd be a Galarian Pokemon. Okay, so next thing you gotta do is draw his arm. Okay, so there's his hair. Okay, known fact about Obstagoon, he has a really long tongue. Make sure it's long enough. There we go. And there's his fingers. There's his arm. I'm gonna draw his lower half next. And that's how you draw obstagoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe on what I've done here. And I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye.